Stop wasting time with tools that don't get the job done. Today, I'm showing you a game-changing tool that every DIYer and woodworker needs in their kit. From precise measurements to effortless cuts, this tool will revolutionize your workflow. Let's check it out. Looking for an easy way to paint without the mess? The Kata Painter's painting pyramid stands are a total game changer. For just $8, you get 36 durable, non-stick cones that keep your projects elevated, so you can paint or stain both sides without smudging. Perfect for cabinet doors, furniture, crafts, and even canvas pouring. These stands save time and give a smooth, professional finish. I love how they're reusable, solvent-resistant, and can hold up to 250 pounds. Plus, the lockable design keeps everything stable. Neat, stackable, and super handy, these painting pyramids make every DIY project easier and faster. The 3D multi-angle measuring square ruler is a must-have for any woodworker. For just $15, you get a durable, high-precision tool made from strong aluminum alloy. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for measuring length, width, vertical height, and angles from 0 to 90 degrees with absolute accuracy. The clear, laser-engraved scales never fade, and I love how it comes with a carpenter's pencil, sharpener, 6 refills, and even an Allen wrench. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this tool makes marking and measuring faster, easier, and more reliable. A smart investment for precise woodworking every time. Meet the General Tools Scratch All with hardwood handle, a perfect companion for every woodworker or DIY enthusiast, for only $7. This versatile tool lets you scribe, pierce, and mark wood with precision. Its sharp alloy steel blade and contoured hardwood handle make creating starter holes, grooves, or layout lines effortless. The durable design withstands heavy pressure, ensuring long-lasting use, while preventing handsaws or chisels from wandering. Whether you're crafting, drilling, or doing detailed woodworking, this all improves accuracy and efficiency. Compact, reliable, and built to last, it's a must-have tool for anyone serious about woodworking or DIY projects. The Milescraft 8408 Center Finder is a must-have for precision woodworking, priced at just $7. This clever tool lets you scribe perfectly centered lines with ease, holding your pencil securely in place. Offsets range from 1/16 to 5/8 in precise increments, making off-center markings simple. I love the notches for accurate measurements and the built-in rare earth magnet for convenient storage on any metal surface. Plus, it even stores a number 2 pencil, so you'll never misplace it. Compact, reliable, and precise, this tool makes marking and measuring faster, easier, and more accurate. Perfect for any DIYer or professional woodworker. T-Blades handsaw is a versatile must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. For just $20, this compact tool comes with 8 high-quality HSS blades that handle drywall. The ergonomic TPR non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, while the clever lockback mechanism keeps blades firmly in place. Switching between large and small blades is quick and easy, making every project smoother. Durable, sharp, and reliable, this handsaw is perfect for woodworking, home repairs, gardening, and DIY projects. Save space in your toolbox and tackle any cutting task with confidence. That's a wrap on today's tool review. If you want your DIY projects to be faster, cleaner, and more precise, this tool is a must-have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another pro tip. See you in the next video.